4 paths. This we can take up, and this you can find it in the description. And downside, similarly, how we have taken this block container. Similarly, I needed same class for the other icon, and then we will have this btn block 2. So next we will have one more div tag. For this I name it as a btn front. Inside I'll be having two SVGs, and I needed one more div tag. For this also I've taken class as a block container, and then inside I will be having btn block 3. I needed one more div tag. For this I naming as a btn front. Inside I'll be having SVGs. I taken one SVG and then one more SVG I taken. This you can find it in the description. Then one more SVG I needed. In this SVG style I taken like visibility hidden and with 0, height I taken as a 0. Inside we will be having linear gradient. This you can find out in the description. Now let me add some styles. So here I taken as a body. So inside body I'll be having position. Position should be relative, and display I'll be having flex, and then we will have justify content in the body. For that I am taking as a center, and then align item should be center, and the width should be 100 pixel, 100% it should be, and the height I'm taking 100 VH, and then minimum height I'm keeping as a 400 pixels. Background color should be this color I'm taking, and then for the body container I'm giving some of the styles. This is the body container. So body inside the block container we have this one. So for this I'm giving some styles. This position I'm taking as a relative, and for the width I'm taking as a 120 pixels, and the height should be 120 pixel only, and margin 32 pixel I'm taking, and transition it should be 250 ms, and perspective 500 pixel I taken. And then for the btn I'm taking some classes here. I'm taking position as a absolute, and inset I'm taking 0, and z index it should be -1, and the width inherit, and height inherit only, and border radius I'm taking 32 pixels, and transition it should be 250 ms, and the transition style this I am taking 3D, and transform origin it should be bottom right, and transform rotate 15-degree, and will change taking transform, and box shadow taking this 16 pixel and 0 40 pixel and this color. Now let me see the result how it would be. When I refresh I could see only this one. Now I'm going to add some of the styles here. For the btn block 1 I'm taking background color linear gradient, And for the btn block 2, I'm taking background color, linear gradient, this one, and block 3, I'm taking linear gradient, this color. And for the btn front, I'm taking this position absolute, and then inset I'm taking 0, and z index it should be 1, and width it should be inherit, height also inherit, and border radius I'm taking 32 pixels, and background color I'm taking this color, and WebKit backdrop filter I'm taking blur 20 pixel, and backdrop filter I'm taking blur 20 pixel only, and for the transition I'm taking